What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? It's backyard barbecue time with the Tribbles. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. It's barbecue time. Yow!
Hey, welcome back to Backyard Barbecue with the Tribbles. And I'm showing you guys what I picked up from Aldi's. Now, let's go on over to this table. Let's mosey on to this table right here. I'm showing you guys what I picked up. I picked up some apple wood from Target the other day on Trimble Family. You guys might have seen that. But I picked this up yesterday. Some of that apple smoke wood, so I'm gonna let it soak on that, put a little water on it. After I show you guys what I got, I'm gonna let it soak in some water and get it prepared for tomorrow, y'all. Some apple wood chips. Next I got some King Sanford original for the grill tomorrow. So ask me for at least two things to grill it. And what I picked up also, guys, for Backyard Barbecue is 2 things of ribs. As y'all can see from Aldi's, 2 things of ribs from Aldi's. 2 things of ribs. And hold on one second, y'all. Let me show you guys what I bought. I bought 2 of these corn on the cobs for tomorrow's dinner, Backyard Barbecue. Then I bought 2 things of chicken quarter legs for the Backyard Barbecue tomorrow, y'all. We finna feast tomorrow, fam. We gon' feast tomorrow, y'all. But first, before I finish all that, let me soak these barbecue wood chips in some water. Right here we go, right here. We finna open this up, and we finna soak this bad boy in some, I gotta cut this open, fam. We finna soak this bad boy in some, water, y'all. Soak this bad boy in some water. And we're gonna set that meat. I don't know how everybody else do their wood chips. This is how my Uncle Tom told me to do it, man. I gotta let it sit overnight. Thank you, Uncle Tom, for the tips for barbecuing. Like I said, that's one of the best barbecues in Miami, Florida, man. Uncle Tom. I learned from him and Pops, to tell you the truth. So I can say him and my dad was one of the best in Miami, Florida, man. So what I'm doing now is just let it soak in some of this water. Let it absorb overnight. Let that wood absorb in that water overnight, y'all. It's gonna swell. That's what I wanted to do. You know what I'm saying? Let that wood chip soak overnight in some water. So when it's time for me to barbecue tomorrow, these wood chips will be nice. So we'll sit that to the side for tomorrow, y'all. I don't know how many of you guys do this with your barbecue. Here's a nice little tip. You know what I'm saying? Like a wood chip soak. The wood chip soak, y'all. I'm gonna use some more, a little bit more of them. Nice little bag. Get a nice flavor into the meat tomorrow. Gotta let y'all know how it tastes. So put these wood chips on top of the pantry up top. So that's what I'm doing right now, let these wood chips soak. And this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching Backyard Barbecue with the Tribbles, and I'm your main man, Tony. And we out like you. But before you do that, guys, please go over to the Trimble Family Life is Good and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell for that channel over there. That's the family channel. Also hit that notification bell and a subscribe button for this channel right here, y'all. And this is your main man, Tony, and I'll see you guys in the backyard. Peace out. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put these ribs over here. I'm gonna drop them in the refrigerator and let them maybe marinate for a little while, y'all. Let them babies marinate for a little while in the fridge there. I'm gonna put them over here. Next, I'm gonna grab my chicken, y'all. Grab my chicken, family. I gotta grab my butcher knife for this chicken because I got so much chicken to cook. You feel me? So It was already clean. It was sitting in my vinegar water. I already cleaned it up. So now I gotta cut my chicken, y'all. Stop that noise. Stop, stop, stop. Two. Two. I still cut them in half because they still kind of big. The big chickens, y'all. So I might cut these bad babies in half, man. These thighs are big. Yeah, cut around the joint with these thighs. That's what I'm doing now, cutting all the getting it all cut up pretty quick. One, two, this piece ain't come off for some reason. I always double look anyway. I thought I got it all off, but this part I didn't get off. I'm glad I'm looking over it. A little bit of fatty tissue that was there. You feel me? All right, y'all. I'm start with this one right here, y'all. This chicken. Big as heck. This ain't normal. This dog gonna be right. What happened, babe? Well, What? Who? What was canceled? Why was it canceled? Give me 1 second, y'all. Hey, how y'all doing? We back. I done cut up all that chicken. I had to pause for a second because those seasons acting real crazy without delivery, y'all. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna go ahead and season up this chicken, and I'm gonna get it ready for the grill. I already seasoned up the ribs already, so I'm gonna use some of this sweet preacher. Sprinkle some of the sweet preacher on there, y'all. Real good on these joints. Real good. Give me 1 second, fam. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of that sweet preacher on there. Season it up. I'm gonna mix it all up, y'all. Yeah, a little bit of that sweet preacher there. Sweet preacher there. Sweet preacher there. Get it all mixed up real good. I gotta make a mess anyway. So what I'm gonna do is use some of that Rasta season. Some of the Rasta season. A little bit of Rasta season on there. Rasta season on there. All right, got a lot of that Rasta season. I'm gonna use some of this here Biscayne Bay season, y'all, on it. Biscayne Bay season. Then I'm gonna get my hands dirty after this, y'all. Cause this is a lot of chicken, fam. It's a lot of chicken. Biscayne Bay on there. I'll use just a sprinkle, smidget of this season, so just a smidget, y'all. That season, so let's get our hands dirty, y'all. I promise y'all, gotta get each piece. You gotta make sure them thighs and chickens is all seasoned up, man. The seasons at the chicken at the bottom that didn't get the season, you gotta make sure you mix that thing real good and season it real good. So y'all, I'm gonna go back over with a light coat sprinkler. Yeah, it smells good too, fam. It's a damn lot of y'all smell real good. There it is. And I mix that up and rinse my hands off a little bit. I'm gonna go back over with a light coat sprinkle. A little light coat sprinkle. What else I got in here? Over here. Let's see. Oh, I got some curry. Put a little curry on that, y'all. Yeah, I made a little curry today, y'all. The curry season. Y'all know. Should have added some to the ribs. A little curry seasoning, y'all. Caribbean family know exactly what I'm talking about. That curry season adds a lot of flavor to your foods. Use a little bit of that more of that Rasta season. We finna get it popping again, y'all. Here we go. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that curry seasoning to that goddamn ribs too. Yeah, cause this chicken is like, oh. Smells so good over here, y'all. I wish I could smell it. Each individual piece. Each individual piece. I'm making sure. Got that seasoning on. I'm gonna add that baby into the refrigerator tonight, y'all. You feel me? So I mix it up real good. You feel me? Gotta get those hands. Tell you that barbecue is smelling right, y'all. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? Can I turn that TV down, please? There it is, y'all. The chicken nice and seasoned up, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all over here if you once I wash my hands up again. Use a little bit of soap. Soap, wash my hands. Okay, that part is done. Now, Let me go ahead and give you a little bit of this curry put on my god doggone ribs, y'all. Y'all already know. A little curry on my ribs. Yes, God. Add that curry on the ribs, man. Smells so good too in this doggone pot. Gotta flip them over. Some lemon down in here too. Yeah. Flip him over a little bit. Over a little bit, y'all. Oh man, it smells so good and delicious, y'all. Y'all just don't know, fam. Alright, go ahead and bake them up. Some of the curry powder. Yeah, everything is done, y'all. Everything is done. Let me get y'all overhead view right now, fam. There you have it. Both my chicken and my ribs is nicely seasoned. And this is the day before Sunday. This is Saturday night. It is nice and seasoned. It's going in the refrigerator, y'all. And your boy gonna prepare for the next day. All I gotta do is go outside and barbecue it, y'all. See you guys on the outside. This is your main man, Tony, from Backyard Barbecue with the Tribbles, and we are out like you. Peace out, family. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all.